Now we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for up move because we have been mentioning we are within this correction. This is what we point on it. We mentioned we want the price to break the top and continue, okay? But the question was whether we get the down move or not, because we mentioned there is if the price move a bit higher, even they tag the top, still we can expect the reversal similar to what we have here, and this is what we get. And after that there was a continuation. Okay, now we want to see what's the next and how we can trade based on what we have right now. In this case, we move to higher time frame. We start with the daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, the price broke the previous top. Now we want to see whether it can break and continue or not. But if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. This is one thing we need to bear in mind, okay? But what we're interested, the price continue, okay? In this case, we move to lower time frame. We want to see how we can trade based on lower time frame. As we can see, based on forward chart, the only things we can see is the price broke the previous top, but we don't have any trade setup. Now the way it's moving is already corrective. Okay, that means if anyone is in the trade, whether from here or here, they should start to manage their trade in case there is a reversal. Okay, now we want to see whether we can look for new trade or not. As we can see, based on 1 hour chart, okay, the way is moving right now is really corrective, and we cannot look for buy or sell from here, because if we want to look for sell, we need to get the reversal and flag. But mostly we are looking for continuation, not the down move. Okay, by the way, if you want to look for buy right now, we cannot look for buy unless this one turn to a deeper correction. Then from there we can look for trade setup. Okay, but if there is a continuation, any breakout with a small flag, maybe we can look for buy, but will be considered as a short term. All right. In this case, we move to 15 minutes. We see what we have based on 15 minutes. Again, based on 15 minutes, this is what we have, but we don't have really good trade setup. Okay. The only thing is made this one in relative to this give us one move up. It depends on the traders how they can look for trade, whether they can get any trade setup or having entry above this top. But having entry above the top is really risky because we once the price tag break and continue the price tag within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we don't stay with the trade. We take out the trade because we don't want at the top and the price reverse. Okay. Anyway, we don't have really good trade setup. We're just looking at this as I explained. The best things is if we didn't get the proper correction or trade setup, if there is a continuation and if like at the top, we can look for short-term buy. Okay. In this case, I mean, when we talk about the short-term buy is like when if we get a trade, when the price move into the profit, we start to manage it in case there is a reversal, because as I explained based on daily chart. By the way, we don't have any proper trade setup. We just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.